Keeping your refrigerator running efficiently is essential for food safety. If you notice it's not cooling as expected, performing a quick temperature test can help determine if adjustments are needed or if there's a bigger issue to address. One important detail to keep in mind is that every refrigerator operates on a duty cycle. This means the compressor turns on and off periodically to maintain the desired temperature. When the compartment gets too warm, the compressor kicks on, cools it down, and then shuts off again. If you place a thermometer directly into the fridge, you'll likely see fluctuating readings caused by the door opening and the duty cycle. To get an accurate reading, you'll need a loaded thermocouple. Step 1, prepare the refrigerator. Make sure your refrigerator is plugged in and powered on. Set the temperature control to the coolest setting. And if it was recently powered off, allow the unit to run for 24 hours before testing. Most refrigerators can take up to 24 to 48 hours to reach a set temperature. Factors like climate, amount and temperature of food, and how often the door is opened all have an impact on how long it takes the refrigerator and its effectiveness to acclimate the compartments to the set temperature. Step 2, create and place the loaded thermocouple. In the fresh food compartment, fill a container with water and place a thermometer inside. Put the container in the center of the compartment. In the freezer compartment, use a container filled with solid ice. Place a coin on top of the ice and a thermometer between two items in the freezer. Avoid placing containers near walls, vents, and doors. Keep the doors closed during testing and maintain a steady power supply. Step 3, record temperatures. Write down the starting temperature of each compartment. This will serve as a baseline measurement for comparison later. After 2 hours, take the readings from both compartments. And after 8 to 24 hours, check the thermometers again. In the fresh food compartments, readings should be close to the set temperature. Temperatures between 34 and 44 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal. In the freezer compartment, readings should be 0 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the coin test in the freezer. If the coin remains on top of the ice, the freezer is cooling consistently. If the coin sinks into the ice, it means the freezer warmed up enough for the ice to melt, indicating a cooling issue. Evaluate the results. If the temperatures are within the appropriate range, your refrigerator is cooling correctly. If temperatures are too high, we'll need to check the following. Door seals. Ensure the seals are clean and create a tight closure. Airflow. Avoid overpacking the compartments to allow cool air to circulate freely. Frost buildup. Excess frost can impact air circulation between the compartments. Performing a manual defrost can clear any blockages. Thermostat readings. A large differential between the set and recorded temperatures could indicate faulty components like the dampener, fan, temperature sensors, or compressor. By following these steps, you'll get an accurate assessment of your refrigerator's cooling performance and be better prepared to adjust settings or troubleshoot components if needed.